If you're experiencing a transfer pending issue with Mint Mobile, follow these simple steps to resolve it quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and complete your transfer successfully. Step 1. Check your current carrier. Ensure that your current carrier has released your phone number for transfer. Contact them to confirm that there are no holds or issues preventing the transfer. Step 2. Verify your account information. Double-check the information you provided during the transfer process. Make sure your account number, PIN, and personal details match exactly with your current carrier's records. Step 3. Wait for confirmation. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SR.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Restart your device. After waiting, restart your phone. This can help refresh your network connection and may resolve any temporary issues related to the transfer. Step 5. Contact Mint Mobile support. If the transfer is still pending after following the previous steps, reach out to Mint Mobile customer support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance and help troubleshoot any remaining issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the transfer pending issue with Mint Mobile. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from customer support.